All right, guys, quick video here on this Buick. So a bad diagnosis just cost this customer a starter when it was really a key issue. I want to show you, this is the customer's key. You can see it's locking and unlocking the doors. But when you stick it in the ignition, watch the dash up there in the top right. See that lock light? That's not going out. That's a little fade. It's not going out, that little lock looking button there with the car on it. So the car won't fire up. So she took to the mechanic, he replaced the starter for her. I guess when he diagnosed it, he didn't scan it, but when you're getting this code here, this B3055, and it says no transponder, that means it's not reading the chip inside the key. So although it's working for the lock and unlock, the car is not going to start. So he cost her a starter, and now we're going to program in a new key to get her going again. But I put it in my device here to read it, just to confirm. And when I put it inside this device, you go to read transponder. You can see here, it's going to say no transponder. See? So it's not reading the chip. So what we're going to do for her is we're going to put in a new key right here. But instead of her losing this one, since it still works for lock and unlock, what I'm going to do is once this new one is programmed in, I'm going to clone the data from this key and put it inside a regular solid metal key. So essentially this car will still fire the car up. Okay, so she'll be able to use her original basically like this. She could attach this fob to the key here like that. She'll still get the remote functions, and then she'll have a chip key here because I'll be grabbing the data from the new key that I'm programming in. So just be sure if you're getting a no start on these Buicks and these Chryslers, these Chevys, make sure they diagnose it correctly. Make sure they scan. If they see this no transponder code, then you know it's a key issue, not a starter issue. Nobody needs to spend a couple $100 for the holidays.